Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to reset your service due now or overdue light on your Mercedes CLS or E-Class. This is for the W219 series or W211. It's very straightforward. First off, grab your key, put it in the ignition and turn it once. If yours is a keyless, just press the start button one time and it'll bring it onto ignition on. Make sure your foot's not on the brake. Once you turn it one time, you're going to see something like this. We're going to use these buttons right here and cycle until we get to the temperature page or miles per hour. It depends which one you set it. You can try both. For me, it's the temperature. So what you want to do next is there's a dimmer button here. Press it 3 times. If yours is the temperature page, you'll hear a beep and it'll jump to the voltage just like so. If yours didn't jump to this page, you have to press this button and cycle onto the miles per hour, the speedometer, and then press it 3 times and it should bring you to this page. So once you get to this page, we're going to use these arrows to navigate. Press up. You're going to see a lot of information here. We're going to keep going until you see service menu right there. Once you get to here, we're going to use the plus or minus to select. We're going to go on confirmation. Once we are on confirmation, we're going to press this button. That's the next page. And then we just confirm that it's a full service because we pressed it twice. But that is how you confirm and clear your service light. So we can hit it again if we wanted to. It might not allow me because I just cleared it. So we did a full service. Service not confirmed because I just cleared it before this. We did an oil change and brakes and such. That's all you got to do in order to clear your light. So now we're going to turn it. Now actually we're going to pull the key out or turn off ignition. Let it turn off real quick and then put it back in and turn it twice just to see if we have service overdue, which we do not have anymore. So that is how you clear the service overdue light or service now light. Thank you for watching, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions. You can leave them down below. Please like and subscribe for more videos.